What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys are doing well today. So today we are Friday, February 6th. If you guys didn't check out my short. I show in a way a live execution. Well, the trade, hitting TP. So if you're interested, check it out. Now, let's go here. Take profit. Those take profit accounts are all funded. So pros. I'm already up 1k on them. So another 1k and the intraday buffer is met. And from there I can start requesting payout. But the main thing is the intraday buffer. Tradeify, we're up 1k. This is funded. And then those one, I'm pointing like you guys can see. This one. So for Tradeify, were eval and they're just, today they have been passed, right? So starting Monday, we'll have 10 accounts fully funded, ready to get payouts. We're already halfway through. We are already halfway there on my take profit accounts, and this one Tradeify. So yeah. All right, let me close this. So yeah, up 10 racks today. Very nice. Today we had news at 10, so let's just keep this in mind. We had prelim actually. Nice. All right. Today, I mean the whole week, Monday, well, the whole month as of right now have been winning days, right? So that's very nice. If we can just keep on going like that, I may, what's the word? Not record. Anyway, if we keep going like that, this is gonna be the biggest month I would have so far, right? I mean, just think about it, guys. If I was already funded since Monday and I won every single day, that's already up. 11,600. Here, I'll do the math with you guys. Because 5k for take profit and 5k for Tradeify, minus 20% for take profit, minus 10% for Tradeify, plus 4. Convert that into CAD, so 1.39. So around 11,800. So let's just say like that. I won every single day. One day have been a 1-to-1, so let's just forget the 1-to-1 just for fun. That's already up 46k in a week. In 1 week in payout every single day. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm honestly very excited. Anyway, what can I see here? We have this hourly fair value gap. If we go on the 4-hour, it's right there, right? So I'll just keep it in mind. Higher time frame context still matters. If we go on the 1-hour, I can clearly see that we're in a downtrend though, right? Okay, let's go on the 1 minute. What can I see? Market open, we opened below, then we hit London highs, chopped around a little bit, then we ended up going higher, right? As of right now, my context is bullish. I am looking for a continuation to the upside. I am looking for 1 minute bullish fair value gaps. Are we in my time to trade? Yes, perfect. Now we have 2 gaps. Originally, I had my limit order set right there, stop loss right there, TP right there, 1 to 2, right? But I was still waiting. First fair value gap, because we have 2. Although we filled the whole fair value gap, we closed basically at the border, so I didn't like how we closed. I was still waiting. Now, like I said, if fair value gap, if candle were to touch right there, I would have entered right away because it's aligned with my context and everything. I was still waiting. 947, we did go back to retrace deeper and we closed above. So as of right now, this fair value gap was valid, but still I wasn't very sure. So I was like, all right, I'll wait one more candle. Okay, let me just go back by one. And like I said, go check my shorts, you guys can see the execution exactly. 9:49 is where I was like 100% sure this is my entry, that's it. Why? 9:49, we went, retraced again, but we closed with speed and efficiency above the fair value gap. So all of this is wick, the body closed right there. The way it closed, the way the speed, everything, perfect. I set my limit there. Even if I didn't, let's say 9:47 was good enough, right? Honestly, it was good enough. I could have just right away entered limit order, stop loss right there. Still, I would have been good. 9:49 wouldn't have wicked me out, especially with the limit order. But anyway, doesn't matter. From there, I was pretty confident. Set up my limit order. I think it was 10 contract, I'm not sure. Got filled 1 minute, 2 minute, full TP. 2 minutes for 10 racks on the day. What can I say? I'm grateful, I'm blessed. But that's how it is. I've been putting the work in, and you know. And at least this 10k in 2 minutes actually matters because it is unfunded, well, half of them. So yeah, I mean, you guys seen Monday 3 minutes, another day 5 minutes, today 2 minutes. Pretty impressive. So yeah, I mean, as simple as that. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys this. Then this 4-hour gap actually got top ticked, and we start reversing all the way down. So let's say I had a shittier entry. I should have known that we were respecting this, and then I would have to close, right? But anyway, I didn't have to because my TP already have been hit. As we can see right there, bang, full reversal. All the way to these gaps. But yeah, anyway, that was the trade recap. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and beautiful week, honestly. I'll see you guys Monday.